evidence? I don't need no evidence to trust her. She is my friend, so I will stand by her, no matter what. I have finally pieced everything together. The light has been shed on the blackened. And you are the killer we've been searching for all along!
Tatum! You are the brightest gem! Good job, Tatum! I knew you could do it. Akira, I know it's a lot and you asked to be alone right now, but if you need someone to talk to, I'm here, okay?
Maybe you shouldn't have said that in the first place. Have you ever thought that you might be the problem? If not, then you should start doing so. Eclipse, just stop. Don't you see that I already have more than I can handle? I have to investigate the body alone because no one else has the guts to do it, and now I have to listen to you breathing insults down my neck? Do you think this is fun for me?
You liked her? But you're both girls, I don't understand. Aren't women supposed to be with men? I can't die here. I can't. What are they gonna do without me? How are they going to protect themselves if I'm not there with them? I need to get out of here. Whatever it takes, I will get out of here.
You have disappointed me again and again and again. I can only take so much, you know? I hope you're not mad at me for resorting to such drastic measures. It's for your own good. This is why you need a friend like me, after all. Where's your alibi? You can't seriously accuse me when you can't even back your own story up. Go on, tell us your alibi. Every single detail.
Azrael? Azrael! Is it really you? Why am I here? Why am I... What are you... No, don't leave me here! Don't... Come back! Why am I here? Enough! The way you treated everyone is disgusting. Stop using that excuse. You're not being strategic, you're being inhumane. Take a look at what you did to her. How can you convince yourself that you're doing the right thing, huh?
I'm not the killer! I really wasn't the killer! I know I have no alibi, but I really was in my room when the murder happened. I didn't see anything at all. I didn't do anything. Please believe me. Please. She would never treat me like that. She loves me. She loves me.
Blink, blink! Pink petals dancing gleam, heal this heart with magical dreams. Sparkling, pink-a-waboo! Do you like my magical spell? I learned it from a super secret spell book, which is called Google. From what we saw on the tablet, it says that the victim died from blunt force trauma. This is strange. There were no heavy objects found at the crime scene. What if the victim fell from a high place? That could be what killed them.
Please don't touch that. It was given to me by... What I meant to say was... You shouldn't touch other people's stuff without asking. So leave that alone. Please. Why can't I ever do anything right? Why am I always such a fucking failure?
Stealing a glance? Don't worry, you're free to look. But be careful, you might find it impossible to look away once you're caught by my gaze. We are not your pawns to be ordered around as you please. We all have dreams and they will not be thrown away for your entertainment.
Thank you so much for all the love and support. Without you guys cheering me on, I would never have gotten to where I am now. Your love and compliments are the greatest gifts I've ever received. I will make sure to cherish them and give back to everyone 1,000 times over. She doesn't know that she needs help. How am I supposed to help her when she doesn't even know that she needs help? She's just a kid, and the first thing they think of doing is taking advantage of her. I have to do something. I have to help her.
It is quite rude to ask a lady for her age, and especially her height. Don't your parents ever lecture you on that What? Don't you shush me! Kids these days. I don't want to die! I want to go home!
If you're going to judge me silently, I'd rather you just come and say it to my face. Just because I do something different from you or like something you don't, doesn't mean you can make fun of me and get away with it. You people are obnoxious. I promised to take care of her, to protect her, until she is ready. And finally, let me go. Even though I said that, I still wish it would be a bit longer before we bid farewell.
Are you seriously offended by that? Aww, poor baby is crying because someone doesn't like him. Well. Do you want an apology? Fine. I'm sorry. You're like a fucking snowflake. No wonder your parents named you Peach. What the fucking hell is your problem with him? Huh? I gave you 2 chances. 2 fucking chances. This will be your 3rd one, and 3rd time's not a charm. If I catch your ass messing with him again, oh, you better believe I'm smashing that empty deformed head of yours! Watch your back, you fucker!
They don't like you for who you are? Easy. All you have to do is pretend, and pretend. Speaking from experience, be yourself is bullshit. People will hate you and rip your freaking head off for being yourself. So what can you do? Don't be yourself. You fucking bitch! Get your happy-go-lucky jolly yippee ass back over here at once. I swear to fucking God, if you ever show your face in my presence again, I'm bashing that brainless head of yours with a freaking microwave.
Daigo. Hungry. Don't hurt Daigo's friends.
Oh? Still listening to the files? If you're not the Killing Game host, I would say you're one step away from being their fan.
It's important to study your pawn. That way, it would be easier to play with them. You, of all people, should have an idea of how this works. It's nearly time. Well then, without further ado, let the executions begin.
I will find you. I will do everything to find you.